Hi there, students. Frail, an adjective. Frailly, the adverb. And frailty, the noun. Okay, let's see. If you describe someone as frail, it means they're not very strong. They're not very healthy. So his health is very frail. A frail old man. And if you describe something as frail, it means it's easily broken, it's easily damaged. So the petals of this flower are very frail. If you touch them, they will break, they will become worse. And then we use this word frailty, referring to a weakness, particularly people's weaknesses, particularly moral weaknesses. So human frailty leads to many unfortunate situations. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't have to be a moral weakness. The frailty of the material it was made of meant that it broke. Yeah. He died having become frail because his frailty steadily increased and increased. Okay, so he lay in bed looking particularly frail, weak and feeble. The structure is very frail. It's very delicate and will break very easily. Okay, so frail, weak and delicate, a small frail body, something that's easily damaged or broken. The frail structure of our society, the frail his frail mental condition, yeah, the frailty of his mind is something that is worrying me. Okay, so frailty could be weakness or lack of health, but it could also be a moral weakness, particularly human frailties, the human frailties of greed and stupidity. Yeah, we need to be tolerant of human frailty and not judge people for their moral weaknesses. Yeah, maybe selfishness and greed are human frailties as well. Okay, and then frail, physically weak. Yeah, he was too frail to travel. He was too unhealthy. Yeah, the economy is very frail. If we have any more bad news, it could get things could get really worse. So easily damaged, easily broken, easily harmed. Okay, the frail body of an invalid and the frailty of his mind, his frail health, the frail roots of a seedling. I could hear a frail voice whispering to me. Okay, frail. So something that's not very strong. Yeah, frailty, the condition of being frail. He frailly got up off the chair and walked forwards. So yeah, frailty, a fault from weakness. You could say a foible. Yeah, yeah, something that is a little thing that it's not quite right. So frail, quite an easy word for you to remember. Formality. I would give both of these words a 5 in formality. Use them absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes through French from Latin, fragilis, meaning fragile. Yeah, so frail, fragile. These two words are very, very clear. Yeah, fracture, fragile, fragility. Yeah, a fraction. All of these words are related to it. Okay, so his frailness was the cause of his death. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Frailty.